All right, next up, we got Aaron's going to try one of these boxes of 2018 Leaf Best of Sports. Good luck, good luck. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got Hulk Hogan. Haven't seen that one yet. Hulk Hogan. And 2015 Topps Valor. Shield of Honor Patch Autos 9/5. It's a pretty sweet card right there. 79/99. Marcus Mariota. 3-color patch. Autograph grade 10. I have a feeling the Titans in the next few years are going to make a nice little push towards the AFC Championship after Brady finally retires. You're in solid hit, man. Appreciate it as always. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.